So now let's move to next topic. Please write down. Now today what we will do? Today we will do bank transfer with APP. If you guys remember, we are doing this
Okay.
payment with the help of check transfer till now, right? This one,
Yes, yes.
if you can please see the screen. Yeah, this one. See, these all check by issuing check means first invoice is there, then payment is that vendor is we are paying to that vendor. After that, check printing is happening. By issuing the check printing means payment is happening. Okay. Now next, what how we are going to pay? Bank to bank transfer means vendor will be paid through bank. Okay, so please write down not through check payment. Now we are going to study bank transfer. Okay, so please give heading bank transfer with APP.
Which means one bank to another bank. Huh?
Yes, yes, one bank to another bank. Bank to bank transfer.
Hmm.
Not through. We will not issue check. We will for the vendor. Now what we will do to the vendor bank account directly fund will be transferred like that.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
But the DME concept is not that one. I will tell that thing also. But it is just please write down this topic. Bank transfer with APP. Okay. So first to do this, like already configuration is required. Which configuration is required? APP configuration is required only, right? This is also APP
Yes.
only. But payment method, what we are going to select? T. T means bank transfer. C
Bank.
means check payment. So T we will use the payment method. Okay. Configuration is already there. What we need to do? We just need to
Yeah.
do the testing and we need to check. So please, uh, in the vendor master, we need to update the bank details of a particular vendor. So okay, so let me show you. I'm going to change vendor FK02.
Both is it. Swanti, schedule it as Swanti.
This one Suprita. I'm taking this one and
Okay.
payment transaction. This one I'm selecting payment transaction in general data. So see bank details. Bank details means I'm talking about operational bank means the bank details of the vendor, real operational bank details of the vendor in which we need to transfer the fund. Okay,
Okay.
so bank details of the
Okay.
vendor we need to update here. Okay, so now please write down. First, write down the heading, the topic, bank transfer with APP. This is the
Yeah.
heading, bank transfer with APP. Okay, after that,
Hmm.
change vendor, go to FK02, change vendor, go to FK02, and this vendor we will take Supritha. In bracket, you can write down Supritha vendor only we are going to change. Go to FK02, change vendor, Supritha to for the Supritha, we are changing the details. Okay, so you can write down select payment transaction tab below, select payment transaction in general data. This one I'm telling, this one. Select payment transaction in the general data for this vendor, Suprita vendor. Only payment transaction select, enter. After this payment transaction details open. Now we need to fill the details, bank details of the vendor. So in country IN, in bank key, you can write down this. In bank account, please write down this one.
So after coming to FK02,
Huh?
what check button? What we have
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
select?
Let me tell you. Yeah. After this one, go to FK02 change vendor master. In bracket, we write down for the Suprita, we are going to change. Okay. And in the general,
Okay.
select payment transaction in general data. Select payment transaction checkbox in general data. You can see the screen also.
Hmm. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Payment transactions.
Yeah. Payment transaction in general data.
Okay.
Okay. And click enter. After that,
Hmm.
that payment transaction window is open. Here we need to fill the bank details of the vendor. Country, please write down. You can see the screen also, please. Country IN, bank key, this one. Means I am just giving random, like we can, in the real time, we need to fill the real operational bank account of the vendor. Account
Okay.
holder name, Suprita Services Private Limited. Suprita Services Private Limited. Okay. Just these four details only we need to give.
This Banky means bank.
Banky kind of
It's a,
IFSC, we can say.
Okay. Okay.
Banky kind of IFSC.
so in real time, how much time it will take to configure for one vendor all the installation, etc.
Means for vendor,
Complete
vendor master. Huh?
overall.
Overall configuration we're telling,
Huh,
like from starting from the GL.
correct.
So like the see, it depends upon the what is the uh, like if the company is big, what is the size of the company? If company is big, okay, transactions are more big MNC company, then then consultant will take more time, right? And if the company is
Uh-huh.
small or middle level of company, then it can be, you're getting my point, right? If the data is more, then it will take some more time. Okay. So if data is,
Mm-hmm.
if suppose a company is small, then it will take like not, it will not take much time. Like it depends. Sometimes it takes 6 months. Sometimes if big company is there, so it can take 1 year, maybe 9 months like that.
Uh-huh.
But
Okay,
still,
okay.
if big companies there and they are requesting, they want implementation of SAP within 6 months. Then consultants,
Mm-hmm.
if they will request, then more consultants have to come. Okay, consulting company will bring more consultants. Like means
Okay,
resources will be
okay.
more, and they will coordinate, and they will consultants will be more, and they will coordinate between each other. Okay, all consultant will come, finance, SD, MM. Okay, they all will coordinate, and they will do accordingly. And if there is no timeline, then what can be done? Like it can be, means if there is no timeline, in 1 year it can be done, right? So this is the how it happens.
Mm-hmm. Acha, acha.
Okay, so now please give country IN, bank key, this one, bank account, this one, 13 digit,
Okay.
13 digit. I'm giving bank account, 9 digit. I am giving bank key,
Thank you.
and account holder
Mm.
name I have given. Okay, so now after that, simply save it to the existing
Mm-hmm.
vendor. We are just updating the existing vendor bank details of the vendor. This is the real operational bank account of the vendor. Okay, and we are just updating that, and we are saving. Okay, now our this vendor is ready to do the bank to bank transfer because we have updated the bank details for this vendor. Okay, or we can create from the beginning also. Then we need to, like, we will fill all the details the way we used to do. Okay, so
Control.
now
Okay.
now please click on save. Now changes saved, and now please give next. Next, go to F110. We will run. Go to F110. Today is 335, right?
Yeah.
So same way we will do. Here we will give date. Okay. 3/5/2024. Okay. Dilip APP2 I can do, or I can do, let's give Dilip bank transfer APP bank transfer 1, like that I'm giving. So give run date, today's date, any identification alphanumeric we can give. We can give according to our convenience, and after that we need to click on enter. Then this data will be refreshed. Existing below status data will be removed.
Hmm.
Just we need to give the run date and identification. Click enter. Now see this red bulb. We can see this red bulb below.
Yeah.
Okay. So now same process. The way we used to do this check, like APP
Same.
we did, right. Same process we are going to follow.
Mm.
Okay. So I'm not explaining that much. Okay. So just after that, click on parameters tab. Write down. Click on parameters tab. Okay.
Yeah.
Here in the parameters tab, give company code. In my case, I'm giving LI01. In payment method, I'm giving T. In the previous step, when we run the APP for trade vendor, that time we have given the payment method C,
True.
correct? And here I'm
Yes.
giving next payment date as 4. Okay. Vendor, we need to give which vendor particularly? Supritha only, right? Because in the Supritha vendor, bank details is maintained. Bank details are maintained. Okay, vendor details I have given. These three details we have given. Now click on, okay, please write down company code, payment method, next payment date, vendor.
Mm.
Okay, after that click on additional log, same due date check, select due date check, payment method selection, and line item. And here also we need to give the vendor, so the 62, this 15 only. Okay, next payment date, vendor, additional log details also done. Now click on status tab and save data. Click on status tab, save data. And now you can see parameters have been entered. This message we have received. But we did not confirm one thing. We did not check whether we have any open item or not. That we need to check, right?
Yes.
If we don't have open item for that vendor, then how we can make the payment, right? So let's check, verify whether we have the open item for this Supritha vendor or not. So FBL1N, this is the open item only. Yes, we have 80,000, which we had blocked. You remember? We had blocked this 80,000.
Yes.
So this one we are going to pay. Okay. So click on payment proposal. Okay. I'm clicking on payment proposal. Then sorry, click on schedule proposal. Very sorry. Click on schedule proposal. Okay. Start date and start time is coming on, are coming automatically. Just select this start immediately checkbox and continue. Select start immediately checkbox and continue.
Bro, this is under status.
Hmm?
No proposal.
For the proposal. This is under
Yeah. See this
tab.
one. You can please see the screen. This is proposal. Schedule proposal.
Okay.
Status already, and status means it will show like whether parameters done, proposal done, payment run done. It will show all the various status.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So first parameters, three steps are there only. Parameters, proposal, payment run. Only three steps.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So next schedule proposal. I'm clicking on proposal. button. It is schedule proposal. Select start immediately. Continue. Click on continue. Select start immediately. Click on continue. Now you can see, please see the screen. Yellow proposal is running in the backend. I will click enter. It will be converted as green button. See,
Yes.
payment proposal has been created.
Yes.
If I want to see this, if I want to edit this proposal, if I want to block, I want to block this proposal. How can I do? I can go to edit proposal. I want to give discount. I can go to edit proposal, right? I want to
Yes.
suppose this payment has to be this payment. Right now, this payment will be done through HDFC, but I want this payment to be done through IDBI. That also we can edit from edit proposal, right? In the previous step, I have told. Click on edit. You can see the screen. This is green bulb only. If it is sometimes, if we are practicing, it is showing red. Then there is some issue.
Correct.
We need to correct that. So if I want to change, edit anything, I will double click on this. I will select this. Again, I will double click on this. Now see, if I want to block, I will give this block here. I want to give discount, I can use this. I want to relocate, means
Discount.
if suppose from Hyderabad to IDBI or from IDBI to HDFC, I want to change. So that also we can do. So we have this option from edit proposal. In interview, they ask, this is a very important question. They ask like how we can do edit, uh, how we can block the invoice when running the EPP. Then we need to simply say what? We can go to this edit proposal. Once the parameter, once this payment proposal has been created, first parameters are created, parameters entered. After that, once the payment proposal created, after that edit proposal button will come, and we can means that is the edit proposal. We can edit that by going to that, like that we can save. Now after this, click on payment run. Third step, please write down. Click on payment run. Schedule payment run. Click on payment run. Schedule payment run. Okay. Now you can see start dates. Okay. Start immediately. Click on continue. Now payment run is running. It is showing as yellow. I'm clicking the. See, one generated, one completed. Posting orders, one generated, one completed. Means it is done. Okay. So now if we want to see the entry, let us come to this vendor, and I'm refreshing this report. Okay. Let me come back.
Yeah.
This is 80,000. All items I'm selecting. Now you see 80,000 today with ZP. It is paid, right? Earlier it was
Yeah.
open item only. You can see a date also. You want to see the document entry, journal entry, double click on this. With HDFC, CA, outgoing account, credit, debit, vendor account. Correct? So this is
Yeah.
done on this.
This is bank to bank.
Yes. This is bank to bank, yes. Now you can notice, see here it was in entry view, it is not showing profit center, but general ledger view, it is updated, see. So no
Yeah.
need to worry. Okay. So now let's,
So from which bank to which bank it is?
From Dilip vendor bank to Suprita.
okay, no, you need correct only. Sudhir is correct. See, from Dilip's this HDFC bank, Dilip HDFC bank, it has to be transferred. It has to be transferred. Now see, um, this transaction happened. This transaction happened where? This transaction happened in SAP, right?
Hmm.
This bank to bank transfer will be run in SAP, right?
SAP, yes.
There is no effect in the means uh,
For
what
the
what do we think like uh, we have just updated the bank real bank details of the Suprita vendor, right? But in that
yes,
in the bank of the Suprita, that account that amount has not been not credited, right?
yes.
Getting my point?
This
Like,
is only
we have
just
not sent any
they've been.
details. We need to send some that is called as DME. We need to send some details to the bank, our bank, like to transfer from our SDFC bank, real operational SDFC bank to Suprita bank.
Hmm.
This bank to bank transfer we only did the posting in SAP system.
SAP system.
I'm right only, right? We have done this
Yes,
posting in
yes.
SAP system. Then what in SAP system, Suprita, invoice is cleared. Now through bank transfer we have done through bank transfer GL we have done the posting. Now we will send some details, that is whether it is DME,
Back.
whether through email to from our SDFC bank, real operational SDFC bank. We will send like to clear to make that this payment through this means bank transfer means to Suprita vendor. Then the amount will be deducted from our real operational bank, and
Yeah.
and the Suprita's that bank account will be credited.
Hmm.
Right now, only in SAP system it is done.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
bro.
Okay.